What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're taking a look at XRP this morning. It's the 20th of July. Let's take a look over at the CoinMarketCap website, coinmarketcap.com. We're here on the homepage. So upper left-hand side, we have the trending. So we have XRP is off the trending tab currently, at least in the top 3. I think it's still sitting at number 4. We have Baby Doge 2.0. Wow. Let's take a look at that. See what that price is. Things up 100% in the, looks like, in the last day. Baby Doge. That sounds like it's a great project. Probably has clarity, utility. Must be better than XRP. Guys, XRP sitting in the number 4 spot. Taking a little pause here. Got some resistance at one of our levels we are going to talk about. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, XRP, number 4. Pepe back in the number 2 trending, up 1.2 at the moment. Fear and Greed, basically neutral, sitting there at 56. Let's take a look over at the charts, guys. Welcome to the channel. Appreciate all the new subs. Guys, if you're not yet joined, go ahead and join us here. So, a lot of green on my screen this morning, at least on my watch list, my random watch list I got here on the right-hand side. A little mix of some ETFs, some cryptos, maybe a couple stocks thrown in there, Tesla, GameStop. Bitcoin currently up 1.1, XRP up 0.2. Looks like it's about to go red. XLM has been the outperformer here in the past couple days. So let's take a look here. Yesterday, put out a pretty lengthy XRP video. We'll do probably quite a bit shorter this morning, but just an update we had. Man, we had a nice day yesterday for the XRP market. As you can tell here from my screen, got this roughly drawn, and I say roughly because it's not perfect, but it basically gets the job done, and I don't put a ton of weight on these patterns and different trend lines, etc. But we have officially broken out of the pennant, and it is to the upside, as you can tell. Yesterday was a nice day. We closed up, looks like 5% closing price yesterday, 81,884. We have resistance, guys. So the resistance level, let's make this bigger. Resistance is the price of 82,485. That's the level we were talking about. That's target number 1, 82,485. It was resistance over here on this big 73.25 day. That was resistance. We closed below it. It was resistance as well on the 14th of July. We started to wedge up here, basically a whole bunch of higher highs, you know, from the 15th all the way up into today so far has been higher highs. Yesterday came in, which was the 19th of July. Resistance, 82,485. Today, resistance, 82,485. That's this white line on my chart. It is acting as resistance. It is really holding the price under water here. If we take a look at the 3-minute time frame, so I share this often. If you've missed it, you're going to hear it again. If you're a short-term trader, I used the 3-minute time frame. I think it's great, especially if you have targets and different levels on the chart. Check this out, guys. Here is our pennant pattern, our upper pennant line here that's running down on the screen. Broke out, back test, finally broke out. Rallied up past our 82,485. Market pulled it back, rallied up, turned it into support. Lower high, lower low, just got flipped into resistance. So we'll see if this price can get above it, but it doesn't look too hot right now. Just got flipped into resistance. So support, lower high, lower low, resistance. So we could be in for something. Rally, support, lower high, lower low, resistance, lower high. We could be in for something like this. Just a thought, doesn't mean it's going to play out, but it's definitely possible. So within this bullish pattern, which we spoke about yesterday, let me get this chart going here. Within this bullish continuation pattern, this pennant pattern that has officially broke to the upside, which could still fail and pull back, we could be in a longer term, bigger bearish pattern. So we have this pennant pattern here, has officially broke to the upside, but it's dealing with resistance. So far it's still bullish, but this also could be a major lower high. So we have we have the high of the move. We have a lower high, and we could be in for a lower low. So that's also something that could play out here for XRP. We'll see. It's got to get its act together here, because if this breakout doesn't hold, it's going to fail. The market's going to, the XRP market is going to pull back. So maybe we're just in a slight pause here for a day or so, couple hours, and then the big boys that run the market, you know, big money runs these markets, will get ready to add some more fuel in here. But ideally, we need to turn 82,485 into support before we start to trend towards that dollar mark and past the high of this move, which would take us right up to 96,170. And then above that, obviously $1. And then my target up there at $1.09 and so on, $1.21. But we got to get above 82,485. If we take a zoom out here, we have a lot of supply on the left-hand side of our screen that is giving the price a run for our money, I should say. Right in here, right where the price is at 82,485, even 96, 109, 121. All this area here is giving the price a battle here, a run for your patience and your money. So it's very normal to see the price get up to something like that and at least pause for the time being. We haven't really seen much of a pullback in the past couple days, so, you know, just be ready for anything here, guys. So perhaps a slight pause, and then we could start to work higher once again. No guarantees that this market is going to get above the high that was put in just about right under 96 cents. But, you know, we'll see. Like I said, this is a continuation pattern, but if it starts to fail here and resistance doesn't allow this market to move higher, we're at least going to backtest here somewhere. So far, the high of the move, 94,799. This is officially a lower high, so, you know, the yellow flasher should be on that. Potentially, you know, we have a higher high, a higher low, a lower high. If this market starts to creep down, and I would put your, just get ready, put your battle gear on, because who knows if this market's going to print a lower low, which would definitely have everybody shaken up down, at least back down to 60. Let's see, 69, 374, 68, 260. Although that wouldn't be a lower low. That would get people quite bearish. I think people will get bearish way before that. A lower low would be basically below like 66, 67 cents. And then support wouldn't show up until 63,740. So we'll see. Hey, I'm bullish on XRP. I hope this thing can turn 82,485 into support and start to crank itself up here, getting to that 96 to a dollar mark. But one day at a time, one level at a time. And so far, you know, I wouldn't step in front of this thing and short it, but I'm also not going to ignore my resistance level. And 1, 2, so far today's the third day. The price is definitely battling at the 82,485. Guys, that's my thoughts on XRP, XLM. Take a look at that chart and try to get a video out here today. You guys have a good one. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and join us, guys. Appreciate it. And yeah, let's see what happens here. All right, take care.